Hello friends, welcome again for this series videos, and this is the second video on this series. So now we are seeing about the exam preparation for PL300 Microsoft Data Analyst certification. And in this course, as I mentioned, Microsoft has categorized into four parts, and the first part is preparing the data. So we are now focusing and learning the same. Like right now, on the preparing the data, we do have multiple areas to focus. And the first one in the last video we covered about connecting to a data source, and this video is about changing the data source settings. That means like for example, we have connected a CSV file from a local folder or a local directory in my computer. And now what happens if the file has been moved to another folder? Okay, so let's see how to fix it. Firstly, we can try to create the problem. Okay, I also want to share you with this technical steps like navigating where. So you can see now for this changing the data source settings, I have mentioned the technical steps how we can do that. This can be done in two ways. We can look into this now, but these are the steps that you can see how to navigate and what to do after navigating to change the source from old to new location. Okay, so let's check now with Power BI. So this is the Power BI file that we have loaded last time. And right now, for example, let me show you the folder. The file is in the folder old. Okay. So right now I'm trying to cut and paste it in the new folder. So now the file has been moved. And let's go to Power BI and check, try to refresh. You see now that the particular file is not on the right folder. So let's change the source now. There are two ways to do that. One, you can click on the home ribbon on the menu and then click on this drop down of this transform data. Then you should see data source settings. When you click on it, and you need to select the particular data source or the directory, because if you have more than one table, you will see multiple sources. You will see multiple records in this window. But right now we have only one table, so you see only one. And this is the directory we had it. We need to select the source directory and then click on change source, and then we'll proceed like this. Okay, this is the first option. And second option, you can directly go to Power Query Editor by clicking on the transform data icon here. Okay, now when the Power Query Editor open, then you can already, if you click on the source, and then you already see the error, like that the file is not found on this particular directory. So what we need to do, you can see on the home ribbon on the menu, you can directly see data source settings. You need to click that, and it will replicate the same window what we saw on the report view itself. So right now you are doing it on the Power Query side. So you click on the data source and change source, and now it will show you the existing directory and also the option to change your directory. So right now click on the browse option, and now see it takes the folder old. Okay, and now we need to select or go to that respective directory. The folder new is the directory now, so you need to go there and select the file and click open. Now it has been changed. Okay, let's check. So after this, these are all some default settings that is already defined for CSV files by Microsoft. So we can leave it as it is. Now click on OK, and then it has been changed. Now you see that the folder new is now updated. Then click close, and then try to change and come back. Now you see the source is not showing any error, and after checking all the steps or the final step after changing the source, you see the data now. So then you should select close and apply here in the menu, and it will apply. So it has been applied now, changes, and then now you can try to refresh. There won't be any error because the data has been loaded and the directory has been changed. So this is how you can change the data source directory using data source settings. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my video, and you can connect with me in LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID, and you can also scan the QR code to connect with me via LinkedIn. Thanks a lot. See you later, guys. Bye.